These hoes couldn't test me, even if the name was Pop Quiz. Bad bitches who I fuck with, mad bitches we don't.
Hey babies, welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a eyelash extension tutorial. These are the lashes that I'm going to be applying today. Turn your eyelashes, your false lashes, your faux minks, any kind of lash you want, really. It's just perfect on your style. So you're going to go from strips to mink individuals. These are the lashes I picked up from my local beauty supply store. They're by Soul. I normally use the 3D Eye Envy 3D collection, but I wanted something a little bit more dramatic for this video, so I picked up these. They're $2.99 at your local beauty supply store. All you need is a good strip lash and some tweezers and some lash glue, or I use this duo glue. Salon Pro glue, whatever. So these are the lashes, and they're faux mink. You can use real mink if you want to, but these are $3 at your local beauty supply store, and they're really pretty. They're so fluffy. Start with the left eye, and I'm just going to take it off, bend it around, and as you go, you're going to take your scissors and you see where the grooves are in the lash. So for every groove, you're going to cut it, trim it, trim it, trim it, trim it. You're gonna glue it like you would glue an individual underneath your eye. So let's get into this video and stop talking. I'm gonna take a dab of glue and put it on the back of here. To start with, you don't need to have that much glue because you're gonna have to keep pouring out new glue anyway. So it is what it is. I like to let my glue sit for like a good 30 seconds and get tacky before I even apply. I'm going to be looking right here at my first lash, and I'm going to be putting the glue on this side for people. Like I said, go to that beginner video first. I'm going to dip it in the glue. It's probably kind of tacky now, but let it get real tacky. Then I'm going to apply it. Can you see? Make sure you change out your glue as you go, because listen, when it don't stick,
Stop. Hold up, put your ass in the air.
I have one lash done and the other one is not. As you can tell, lashes make a person's whole face. I'm gonna do the other eye on camera, and I'll be back to give you my final thoughts. I'm back, and I actually look cute now. Before I look bald eyed. Okay, are the results. Okay. I'll do a little bit somewhere. So these are the results. Okay, and they turned out really cute. Okay, so with that being said, save your money, sis. Don't spend. Get you a pair of strip lashes and turn them into individuals, and boom, you got some bomb mink lashes. My final thoughts on the lashes are, they came out really pretty. I look way better than before, but no, seriously, I really like doing this method. I'm gonna have to test out a few more lashes brands to see, but so far I like the first brand I used. This brand is okay, but I can see already that the lashes are a little bit softer than the other ones. I think you probably need something a little sturdier to do it this way, but yeah, it still turned out great. My eyelashes look amazing. I feel like I'm back to myself. Okay, they last for up to 2 weeks. I did this before. I'll insert clips. I did a practice run about 2 weeks ago with these same way, just different lash brand. And yeah, it turned out really good. So if you like this video, leave a comment down below. Tell me that you like this method. If you would rather stick to regular individuals, say that too. I'll link the video down below to that. Yeah, turned out really pretty. $3, you can't beat it. Okay, you cannot beat it. So thank you babies for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a like. If you did not enjoy it, I am so sorry for you. But yes, thank you guys for watching this tutorial. It was very informative, if I say so myself. Super cute, easy, affordable. It's $3 lashes, perfect eyelash extensions. They last up to 2 weeks, and there you go. See you babies in my next video.